crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and we are on day 11. Just hard to imagine how quick this month is going. And in fact, we are exactly 11 days from my birthday. So a lot of exciting things happening during the month of December. So with that said, let's quickly knock out what did Jenny provide for us today. So give me 1 second, sorry. Somehow that garbage can got shoved all the way across the room. But with that said, it's actually a felt bird kit. And it actually comes with the needle, wool felt birds embroidery kit, project pattern for felt birds. So look how cute. So not sure that it's our cup of tea. It might be. I know Curtis has in the past liked some of the felt ornaments in that. So it does look like they're pre-cut in that. It'll be interesting. We will take the pattern out, take a look at it. Might actually be something fun to work with the grandkids on when we go on vacation, depending on how difficult in that it could be. But it is absolutely something different. And I will have to give Jenny a lot of credit this year. It just, we've only done this 1 year before, but it does seem like she's gone above and beyond trying to do some things really different, or at least much different than it was last year. So with that said, you landed in Guys Craft 2. And day 11 with Missouri Star Quilt, Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, is a felt bird kit. So we appreciate you dropping in. We appreciate you listening to me rattle on for just a couple of minutes. And until next time, happy crafting.